Welcome back. In our last sessions, we talked about the importance of thorough pre assessment and how we use immediate intervention to help you feel some relief right away. We understand that you are feeling overwhelmed by the relationship struggles. At the last thing, you wanted to be wait for help. That's why our focus early on it is to calm the emotional chaos with the practical tools like mindfulness, deep breathing, and the 5-minute pause. But real transformation goes beyond the temporary relief. It's about understanding what causing the disconnect, frustrations, or the pain at a deeper level. So today we are diving into the next crucial phases of your work together, the post-assessment phase and therapy sessions. Here, how these phases unfold to help you heal, reconnect, and strengthen your bond. After easing some of the immediate struggle, we move into the post-assessment phase. This is where we put everything what we have learned about your relationship into a clear and actionable plan. Think of this as your personalized relationship blueprint. Well, we will share a clear plan with you that your outline of the entire course of the therapy. This is not a just generic approach. It's a personalized to fit your relationship, unique challenges, and your goals. Together, we will set a short-term and long-term goals to track even in your progress as well. Short-term goals focusing on quick wins like better communication, reducing conflict, and building the trust. Longer-term goals aim to dig deeper, heal old wounds, and creating lasting habits for a strong, loving relationship. Imagine knowing exactly what you are working towards and having a clear step by step guide to get there. This clarity will be give you motivation and hope, making the journey less overwhelmed and more purposeful. Once we have your roadmap ready, we dive into that main part, the therapy sessions. This is where the real changes start to happen and everything is tailored to your specific needs. Activities to improve your relationship if communication is a big struggle. We introduce simple but effective exercise to help you both in speak and listen better. These activities turn argument into meaningful conversations and teach you how to really hear each other. We also use non-violent communication called NVC, a way of sharing your feeling and your needs even without blaming or criticism. Helping with the individual struggles sometimes, the problem is not just between you and your partner, but also the challenges you face personally, like the anxiety or even to the stress. For this, we use techniques like CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, and acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, to help you break the negative thought patterns and stay committed to positive actions. It's like learning how to steer your mind in a healthier directions, even when life gets tough. Managing intense emotions, we teach you ways to handle big emotions with more control. Practical strategies like deep breathing and mindfulness are like learning to pump the brakes when your emotions are rising so you can respond calmly instead of healing or reacting impulsivity. Healing emotional wounds, if past hurt, are holding your relationship back, we help you to be work through them by exploring things like your attachment style, values, and love languages. We create a deeper understanding and connections. Imagine how empowering it feels to have the right tools for your challenges, whether it is staying confident even when you feel anxious, expressing yourself without fear or conflict, and or reconnecting with your partner in a meaningful way. These sessions give you practical skills that lead to real lasting improvements. Our work doesn't stop when you make progress. Relationship need regular care just like anything valuable. That's why we offer booster session once or twice in a year. This checkup will be help you to be keep your relationship strong, celebrate your growth, and making adjustment as needed. Think of them as a tune-ups and keep your bond healthy and running smoothly. Our approaches is not about quick fix. It's about creating lasting, meaningful changes. Consistent step, you will be building a love that you feel secure, joyful, and deeply connected. We work alongside you, celebrating every milestone. By the end of this process, you will feel like you have not only survived your struggle, but transformed your relationship into something beautiful and resilient. So ask yourself, are you ready to move beyond the pain and building stronger relationship that's not only stable but full of joy and even to the connections? Yes, even if your answer is yes, we are here to ready to help you in every step of your way. Let's get started. Is an incredible journey together.